I get a volunteer? Imogen. Okay. So, pick a card. Right, so just before we do the trick, Deck, nothing fishy about it.
No, nothing fishy.
Nothing. Okay, good.
Right, just you. Do I look at it?
Yes, look at it, show the audience. I'll turn my back.
I thought I said it was.
Look at the top. And give it a cut. Okay. So that's in the deck now.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so this is a trick I did a little while ago. You might have heard this story before. So I did it not too long ago with some friends, and basically what happened was I got to this point in the trick, left the room, put the cards on the table like that. So what happened was people decided to mess the trick up. So what they did was they just really sort of got these cards really, these get shuffled, aren't they? There's no funny business about it. No, they're really getting shuffled. Okay. So they did this. I could hear them giggling. I knew what was up. Walked back in the room. Cards all over the place. Tricks absolutely ruined. And it's like, what am I supposed to do? Well, it's almost as if by magic that the cards just get in the right order, except one of them. That one was not a card.
Yeah.
Wow! Teach me your ways, magic man.
So, I'll teach you this trick. If I've got time, I'll teach you a second one. Yeah, sure. Okay, so the major thing about this trick is knowing their card. Because obviously, it's like, how do you know the card? So, what you do is you ask them to pick a card. Like, for example, Jack of Spades. And then, while they're looking at the card, you look at the bottom card. So in this case, the 3 of diamonds. Ask them to put it on top, and then cut it. And so, when you're when they're sort of looking at the card, you remember that's your marker card, the 3 of diamonds. So what you do is you either go through it with them or go through it by yourself, and so you look for your marker card, which is the 3 of diamonds, and the card on top of it is their card, and that's how you know what their card is. And in this trick, so you just cut it to the bottom of the deck, so throughout, and then, so that's the first stage. So you know that card and the card's in the right place. Then the mixing of the cards, you're sort of mixing them really well, but you're actually not mixing them. It's sort of an illusion, kind of, because you're taking the cards and flipping them around. So the cards are going to be face down onto cards that are also face down. So it's all, like, basically, so you're going to have 2 lots of cards, half of them are face up and half of them are face down. And at the end of that, you have to split the cards so they're all the right way round. But obviously, like, it's quite difficult, but cards naturally bend in a certain way. So when cards are back to back, they'll fall apart separately, so you just gotta sort of feel it, and then you'll find them back to back, put them on top, so they'll all be in the right order except the one that was on top. If you get what I'm saying. So that is how you do it. So it's really 2 sort of elements to it, sort of the finding of the card, putting it on bottom, and then the sort of mixing it up, but you're not really mixing it up. So that is how I did it.